Hey guys, welcome to the channel. How many of you utilize YouTube Shorts every day in terms of making videos or actually watching videos? Well, that's a really great question that I have for you because YouTube is actually bumping up your shorts from 1 minute up to 3 minutes. Yes, YouTube is actually updating their shorts and how you guys can post them. We're going to switch over to the computer so you can actually see what I'm talking about for official, I guess, documentation or official releases by actual YouTube. So, tall updates coming to shorts. As one of the people that I follow said that these could be your new jorts, yes, your jean shorts. So, this is by Todd Sherman. It was released October 3rd. Get ready, Shorts creators and fans. Today, we're announcing updates to YouTube Shorts, making it easier and more fun than ever to create and connect. Whether you're looking to discover something new or dive into creating, these tools will empower you to express yourself, get inspired, engage more deeply, and keep up with the latest trends, making storytelling on Shorts more immersive. Shorts are great, but they don't really give you that long of a time to really get your point across, which I think is the point of this entire upgrade. Longer shorts, more of you. Starting on October 15th, you can upload shorts up to 3 minutes long. This was a top requested feature by creators. So we're excited to give you more flexibility to tell your story. This change applies to videos that are square or taller in aspect ratio and won't affect any videos you uploaded before October 15th. So if you've recorded your videos like this, you're okay. If you record your videos like this, probably not going to count as a short unless you made it a much smaller ratio when it comes to the size of the screen. We'll be working to improve recommendations for longer shorts in the coming months. Recent updates to the player streamline its look, allowing creators' content to take center stage and viewers to focus on the content they love, making creation easier and more fun. See a short you like? Now you can easily recreate the music with templates. Yes, templates are coming. Finally, for shorts, that's something a lot of people have really been screaming for. Jump on the latest trends, match your clips to the hottest sounds, and add your own unique flair. You can try templates by tapping remix on a short that inspires you and select use this template to give your own spin. Unleash the full power of YouTube in your shorts. In the coming months, you'll be able to tap into the vast universe of YouTube content right from your shorts camera, making it easier to remix clips from your favorite videos, music videos, and more. Still got to be careful of copyright strikes. They could still mute your stuff. They could flag it. So just be mindful about what you're able to do there. I know some people will do little 5 and 10-minute clips for videos, or they may just use a whole music video for 30 seconds. You just really have to be careful because YouTube is still going to come after you. You don't want to lose your channel. You don't want to start getting those content strikes. You'll even be able to pull from multiple clips across YouTube. A few weeks ago, we told you that Google DeepMind's most capable model for generating video, VEO, is coming to YouTube Shorts. Creators will be able to bring their ideas to life with even more extraordinary video backgrounds and standalone video clips, making your shorts even dreamier later this year. You can kind of get an idea of some of the stuff that they're doing over here on the left side with these little small videos that they're showing here, which is pretty cool. I'm not a big shorts person, but at the end of the day, there's a lot of people who build their content solely off of shorts. So what about you? Do you think that the shorts update or upgrade is going to affect your channel? Is this something that you're going to be able to lean on harder now that you're going to be able to do up to 3-minute videos? I think it's going to be a big game changer for a lot of people. Now, here's the downside though. If you are trying to get into the YouTube YPP, it is not going to count for view hours or view time towards you actually getting monetized. If you want to get monetized, you still have to hit that 10 million views within like 3 months, I think it is, or you still have to do the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of view time for long form videos. If you have somebody clicks on that one video and they go the entire 3 minutes, you don't get 3 minutes. You basically get one view. That's really all you're going to get. So I think that's one of the only downsides. I think if they would make it work and kind of hit both of them, if you watch after a certain amount of time, like say, if you go after the 60 seconds, I think that would be much more beneficial for a lot of us that are content creators and that want to get our message out to people. What do you think, though? Again, post down below. I want to know what you guys are thinking when it comes to this content. I know I'm not the biggest channel in the world, but I do still want to hear what you have to say in terms of this actual topic. So please hit that like and subscribe if you feel this is the type of content that you really, really like to see and you want to see more of it. Also, let me know what kind of content you really want to see. I'm here to help you guys out as best as I can and give you advice and content that could help you build your YouTube channel to something that it wasn't before. So until the next video, guys, keep on streaming. Make sure you hit record and get that first video posted. Hey guys, thanks for coming and checking out the video. If you haven't hit like and subscribe yet, do that. But YouTube also wants you to check out a video over here or a video over here. Check out one of these two videos because it could actually benefit you in the future.